Hello traders. In this video, I am taking a look at Omega Trend EA for MT4. And in this review, we'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page, explore the main features, and then discuss the historical testing information and overall approach behind this expert advisor. Now, before we begin, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. So looking at the marketplace page, Omega Trend EA is an MT4 expert advisor developed by Lacheza Krastev. At the time of this review, the EA is listed at a discounted price of 177 US dollars, down from the regular price of 477 US dollars, according to the information we have here. Now, the current version shown here is version 1.1, and the product page also includes links to a Signal account, additional instructions and settings files and live results provided by the developer. Now, according to the description, Omega Trend EA is a fully automated trading system built around three core concepts. The first is trend following, all right, or rather trend spotting. Okay, the first is trend spotting, and you can see that here. The developer explains that the EA is designed to identify trends relatively early in their movement with the goal of capturing opportunities during active market conditions. The second concept is strategy diversity. Rather than relying on a single approach, the EA uses two trend indicators that are connected to different trading strategies. The idea is to provide flexibility across varying market environments instead of depending on one market condition. The third component focuses on dynamic entries and exits. Instead of using fixed stop loss and take profit distances, the EA links trade management levels to market volatility. So according to the developer, this includes dynamically managing stop loss, trailing stop, and take profit levels based on changing market conditions. As I continue down the page, we can also see the recommended trading conditions. The suggested time frame is H1, and the recommended backtest method is every tick. All right, supported currency pairs include GBP USD, Euro USD, and Euro JPY, with the default settings configured for Euro USD. Now, the developer also provides separate set files for the other supported pairs. Another notable feature is the built-in money management system. Users can define risk as a percentage, and the EA automatically calculates position sizing based on available account margin. The system also includes a recovery mode. Okay, you can see that here, which is designed to gradually increase lot sizes after previous losses in an attempt to recover those losses over subsequent trades. The EA also includes an advanced time management system, allowing traders to specify trading hours and select which days of the week the robot is allowed to trade. For traders who want more control over execution schedules, this can be a useful layer of customization. Okay, so the marketplace page also highlights the included Omega Trend indicator. The indicator uses a main trend line and a secondary pivot line. According to the developer, the main trend line helps identify trend direction and potential reversals, while the pivot line can be used for shorter term trading opportunities that align with the broader trend. Now, moving into the historical testing discussion, the developer recommends using the H1 every tick testing method. So when reviewing historical backtest results, I like to look at longer testing periods because they provide a broader sample of market conditions and can reveal strengths and weaknesses that may not appear in shorter test windows. But for want of time, I have run the EA. I've done the back tests of the EA over the past about a month and a week, right? And even though I recommend you testing it over a longer period of time so you can capture more market data for the back testing. You can see here the Omega trend. We tested it on the recommended currency pair Euro USD, tested it on H1, and we can see despite using the recommended settings H1 EU, which the default settings we are optimized for, despite doing that, I can see that we didn't have any trade executed. All right, so I will recommend, let me just look at the journal. Okay, I don't really see exactly the reason why a trade was not executed, or maybe it has something to do with the duration. Okay, so I'm just going to, like I already said, recommend testing over a longer period of time. But let us just look at the EA in action. I'm going to just take this a bit backwards, maybe the beginning of the year. All right, and I'm going to turn on the visual mode. Let's just see the EA in action. Okay, let's see the EA in action. Just going to increase this a bit. All right. So as we look at the historical chart activity while the EA is in action, the overall approach, based on the information that we already have access to on the MQL5 Marketplace page, the overall approach, we'll be expecting it to be focused on trend participation while adapting trade management to market volatility. Well, we can also see that risk management, recovery functionality, and trailing stop behavior are important parts of the overall system design based on the information provided by the developer. Here on the dashboard, we can see important information here: account holder, account type, account leverage, account currency, the broker time, the balance, the free margin. If longs and shorts are enabled, you can see yes, yes, signal one is active, and all these other things. The risk 1%, recovery mode disabled, trading lots, the SL, the take profit, and all these things, right? Signal 2, and all this important information, spread included. Okay, so while the EA is active, it also shows this important information for the user, to be aware. All right. Now, as with any historical testing performance, it is important to remember that results are influenced by factors such as risk settings, lot size, selection, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and overall optimization. Historical analysis is useful for evaluation, but it should never be viewed as a guarantee of future performance. Overall, the Omega Trend EA presents itself as a trend focused MT4 trading system that combines automated trend detection, dynamic trade management, money management tools, and scheduling controls. If you are interested in this type of approach, I would still recommend running your own extended historical testing and optimization before considering any live deployment, so you can evaluate how the EA performs under different market conditions. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.